Hi guys, welcome back to _Tees_Dollroom. And just as a reminder, this is an adult doll collector channel. So if you are younger than 18 years of age, you need your parents' permission to watch my channel. Now, getting on to the business of the day, we are going to unbox and review Ocean Drive Agnes. Agnes was the second W Club exclusive for 2019. I think the email that came out to announce her pre-order was in June of last year. And she was finally ready for the final balance to be paid and to be shipped out in January of this year. So I got my dolls. I've had them a couple of weeks. I ordered a couple of them, so you know how I roll. But anyway, we're going to unbox this doll today, and I'm going to discuss all the things that make or break fashion royalty Ocean Drive Agnes. And as I've said before, opening the fashion royalty doll is like opening a present. Every time you open one up, it's like getting a new present. So, it's wrapped in all this lovely white tissue paper that I have never managed to be able to wrap it back up and get it back in those cardboard shippers with that tissue paper on it. Now, so we're going to move on with that. All right, first impressions. Lovely, lovely Agnes. For those of you who don't know, this is the first time that they've actually made the Agnes von Weiss face mold in the fashion royalty black skin tone. So I was just super excited about this when I first saw it. I said, okay, we finally got our black Agnes. So she is so pretty. I love her makeup, the muted colors of her lip, everything. I love it about this doll. She's really gorgeous here. So as you can see in the presentation, she has on her lovely seashell printed, it's more like a Versace print of her swimsuit, and she has a sheer sarong here cover up, and then you can see her gold evening gown that's presented on the side, and of course her accessories are here in the box. So let's just open that up so you can get a look to see what it looks like before I rip everything out of the box. And here's the presentation for her accessories. She has a pair of lavender shoes to match her bathing suit ensemble. She has some short nail hands. She has some, let's see, looks like seaweed and coral and starfish. A couple of things of interest about Ocean Drive Agnes is that the print on her bathing suit was custom drawn just for this fabric for her suit, and the print on the matching shoes were also custom drawn for this particular doll. So I thought that was a fun thing to add. And we're going to go ahead and get her out of the box. And just so you know, Ocean Drive Agnes, she was an edition of 1,635 dolls, and my doll is 1,041 of the 1635. So that's on the certificate of authenticity there for you. And we're going to go ahead and get this lovely, lovely doll out of the box. I'll go ahead and loosen her ribbons. We'll turn her over, and of course she comes with a stand and the telescoping saddle. Get her hairnet off of her, and we'll take her little wrist tag. And you know, these wrist tags are a throwback from the Barbie days. All the Barbies came with wrist tags. She has some gorgeous silky, very silky, and it looks like it's very thick hair. So I'm loving that about this doll already. In the specs, it says that this is a dark espresso color, and it's quite luxurious. So she's very beautiful. I love the choice of her makeup palette. You can faintly see her blush. It's just enough without making her look garish or overly made up. I like her smoky eye and her lipstick. She is very beautiful. So I'm quite pleased with her. She's actually very pretty in this skin tone. And I love her sheer chiffon sarong. I like that. And her swimsuit. So let's see what this looks like, the suit by itself. So we'll take the sarong off. And it has these little snaps, and it's kind of ruched in the back. You can see the ruching. And it's ruched in the front here, pleated and ruched. So her swimsuit has a lovely fit, high cut on the thigh. And it's a beautiful little gold seashell starfish print in there, little seahorses and seaweed. So I think that's it's really pretty. Very feminine, soft, high fashion. It reminds you of some of those Versace prints. So let's get these little leg things off of her. Sometimes I can pull these things off, and then there are days like this where they're so tight they don't want to come off. So I'll just take a pair of scissors and I'll just slip through the tape on them. One. Oops, let's flip it over there. Alright, the shoes are the same satin print as the swimsuit, so that is really neat. I really like these shoes. It's going to be a kicker trying to get these shoes because of the arch in the footbed of the shoe, and then try to get them over in that last little piece down here. And as always, here we go with these shoes. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna finish putting Agnes's accessories on her. I am going to attempt to put this anklet around her ankle. Let's get some of these little curved hemostats to help me with that. You know, sometimes it makes me wonder as I age and my dexterity, you know, lessens, how I'm going to be able to handle putting jewelry and shoes on these dolls. That's just something that I have to think about as I get older. Looks like somebody bent my hemostats. They are bent, so they're not working. I'm gonna have to get me another pair then. Let's try some tweezers on. There we go. So we've got that anklet on her. It's a cute little look for her anklet. That's really cute. Love it, love it, love it. And we'll put her back in her little sarong. Move these hands up to avoid the snagging the chiffon. And then a little spray to calm these little flyaway hairs here. And I'm loving the little, you know, pulled up top ponytail in the top, and the rest of the hair is falling down a little luxuriously. Let's see if I can pump up this little piece right here, make it sit a little higher. Alright, let's smooth that out very nicely. Lovely lavender ensemble. I'm loving this. The delicate colors. Certainly it's not a color we've seen a lot of in the past from Fashion Royalty. So I'm loving the color, loving the makeup palette on this doll. Love the fact that Agnes is Fashion Royalty black. She's gorgeous. I think she's beautiful. I am a fan of Agnes. Just depends on how they're serving her up. Merveillous is one of my favorite ones. And there have been a couple in the past that I've liked, like Real Estate. I like Silver Zinger. And a couple of others. All of them are high dollar secondary market dolls. But this one is especially beautiful to me. So she's definitely a keeper. And I actually have more than one. So this doll we'll keep to play with. And the other one I will keep it never removed from box for my collection. She's gorgeous. And there's a Perky Poppy Pal on W Club. She subscribed to my channel and she left me a message about my videos that I posted up there. And she asked me which outfit did she think I would leave Agnes in. So we're going to try on the gold outfit. And then I'll let you know which one of these I actually prefer for my doll. Perky Poppy Pal. Thank you for responding to my comment and the posting on the W Club. So we'll get her out of this and put her in her evening ensemble.